Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our science class. And today, we are going to discuss about the changes in the solid materials when being hammered and cut. Science 4, Quarter 1, Week 3. I am Teacher Cara Ramos, your science teacher. Before we start with our lesson, let us have a review about the lesson that we have discussed last time. We are going to identify whether the solid materials can be bent or pressed. 15 seconds to do the activity, and timer starts now. Time is up. Let us check your work. Did you get it right? Very good. Now, what can you see in the picture? Do you have this kind of material in your house? What do you know about a hammer? Let us now identify the meaning of a hammer. A hammer is a hand tool which consists of a solid head level on the end of a handle. It is used for beating, striking, or pounding materials or objects. I want you to look at the activity shown, and these are the materials needed: hammer, tin can, a piece of hollow block, chalk, eggshell, and nail. Observe what will happen to the materials when hammered. Now it's your turn to do the activity. What to do? These are the procedure. Hammer each of the given materials. Observe what happens. Number 2, record your observations. These are the materials needed: empty tin can, hollow block, chalk, eggshell, and nail. On the other side, we are going to write down the changes of the properties occurred: size, shape, or texture. A friendly reminder: always be careful in handling the objects. Seek for assistance or guidance of your parents. Let us check your work. And these are the changes occurred. What happened to the solid materials when they are hammered? Was a new material formed when solid materials was hammered? Let us see if you got the correct answers. Answer page 26 of your module, What I Learned. Fill in the blanks with the correct words for each blank below. Choose your answers inside the box. And these are the choices: texture, size, physical, shape, hammered, and taste. Solid materials can be blank. When hammered, these materials may change their blank, blank, and the blank. However, no new materials is formed because only the blank appearance of the material is changed. Check your work and be honest. Solid materials can be hammered. When hammered, these materials may change their size, shape, and the texture. However, no new materials is formed because only the physical appearance of the material is changed. Answer page 27 of your module. Challenge evaluation. Tell what changes takes place in the materials when hammered. Size, shape, and texture. And timer starts now. Time's up. What have you observed? Very good. Remember, solid materials can be hammered. When hammered, these materials can change their size and shape, and even the texture. But no new material is formed because only the physical appearance of the material is changed. Let us now proceed to the changes of the materials when being cut. What is cutting? Cutting may be defined as a process in which new surfaces are created in a solid by the use of a tool. Such tools are usually sharp, though in reality, blunt tools can cut, and the sharpness can be an important factor in the process. Again, I want you to look at the activity. These are the materials needed: candy wrappers, leaves, a piece of paper, and a cardboard or carton. Observe what will happen to the materials when being cut.
Oh.
It's your turn, kids. What to do? Using a pair of scissors, cut each of the given materials. Then record your observations using the table below. And these are the materials needed: cardboard, paper, candy wrapper, leaves, and a piece of cloth. On the other side, you are going to write down what happened to the materials when being cut. Again, a friendly reminder: always be careful in handling pointed objects and sharp objects like scissors, knife, and alike. What happened to the solid materials when they are cut? Was a new material formed when solid material was cut? Remember, solid materials can be cut. When cut, these materials can change their size and shape, and even the texture. No new material is formed because only the physical appearance of the material is changed. Not all solid materials can be cut using simple scissors. Some solid materials like iron and steel can be cut using sophisticated cutters. For your evaluation, read the statement below. Answer the questions briefly and correctly. Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. For number 1, Maria Cristina cuts a piece of writing pad. Describe what changes happen in the property of a piece of paper when it was cut as shown in the picture below. Number 2. What do you think will happen if a piece of carton was cut? 3. Sophia has an old clothes. She wants to make it into a rug. What does Sophia needs to do? 4. Was there a new material formed when you cut paper into different shapes? And last, what is the best thing to change the shape of the cardboard? Just write your answers on the space provided. Congratulations, kids! I know you learned something new today. Have a nice day. Stay safe, everyone. Goodbye. Until next time.